And welcome to Grandad Reviews, a 2-minute tips and tricks. This time we're going to look at, in the menus, what you've got, natural live view on and off. And what does it really do? Pretty simple really. I've got the camera set at the moment to Velvia film simulation, and that's what it's showing me. If I turn natural live view on, it'll get rid of that Velvia simulation. So you're just seeing what the sensor sees with no film simulation on at all. So put it off and we've got the Velvia simulation on. Put it into a different one. Let's go to Meg High. That's without it. So that's what your natural live view does. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. When you be notified, hit the bell button. Till next time, see you later.